Okay, let's see it. Let me save this thing. Now check it. Okay, string is a string because obviously when you are writing to the string, it is directly showing whatever inside of the string. Integer value, and float because of the 0 is coming. Previously, see over here in your input section, we do not use anything over here zeros, but still is zeros coming because we casting in the 3, or we casting into the the what is we can say, this is exactly the float, isn't it? So the float are coming. Now next concept we will going to understand. Okay, this whatever we are converting, okay, the conversion we call as a casting. And whenever we are checking, okay, the conversion we call as a casting. And whenever we are checking to the what kind of data you have, that is we call say as a type. We are checking to the which kind of data you have, which kind of type of data you have. Okay, now after these things, I think so many times you saw in your Python, or maybe in the different programming language, we are using a single quote and the double quote, isn't it? Okay, let me do one thing for your understanding purpose. Right now I'm going to remove this one, and I will be going to add a something single or the double quote, isn't it? Means whenever you are using single quote and double quote, so everyone are asking, in a string variable can be declared the either by the using single variable, single quotation, or maybe the double quotes, isn't it? So what is exactly the difference? So what we will the output? Let's try that also. So I'm taking one a variable and another is a b variable. Let me say that equal to, over here also equal to. Now inside over here I will be going to print to the John. Okay, now over here in the single my quotation, I will be quotes, I will be going to print a something another John. Okay, so same thing I will be going to use. Obviously 2 times John will be expected to print, so print f inside of the bracket a, and another print is different, isn't it? Another print is b. Let's see that if you are using single quotation or if you're using double quotation, what will be the output. You can see its output will be the same. It will be not anything that much of mattering. Okay, let's go. Very good to go. Now after that, there is one thing are very important. Your programming language is the case sensitive. Case sensitive means what? Like when you are declaring the variable, the suppose over here I created variable a, and over here I created the small variable. This is meaning is the both are the different variable. It's not the similar variable. That is we call say as a your programming language, your variables are the case sensitive. Okay, means big capital A is different and small a is different. Let me show you also. Suppose over here I will be going to change the data. I will be going to put over here Professor Ruby. Okay, let me print it over here. I want to print big A, I want to print a small a. Let's see to the difference. You can check the A is different and small a is different. See, it is not a similar. So that is also very important, the case sensitive. Now after this one, I think so we have the lot of data types are there. Okay, if you want to be know that what kind of data types are there, let me display for you. So I think so you can able to see my screen right now. Let me go to the over here draw section and let me take one pen. Okay, so obviously guys, we have the data types are there. Means whenever you are storing a data inside of the variable, there are different datas are there. We call as a these are the built-in data types. Like in a programming language, data type is an important concept. A variable can store of a different types, and a different types can be different things, isn't it? In Python has the following data types are there. We call as a building by default. Okay, built in by default. In these categories we have to be a different categories are present, like a numeric data, sequence type, mapping type, set type, boolean type, binary type, and the none of them. So basically over here you can see that we have to the number numeric data types are there, like int, float, complex. Then another one is sequence type, list, tuple, range, mapping type, dictionary, set types like a set, frozen. Okay, maybe right now you guys are thinking, Professor, it is right now going up very fast. Don't worry, the one by one we will going to understand how the data types are going to be a implement and where you can use in the real life. Let me close to this particular window. I don't want. Right now, let's consider a data type. Okay. Now what happened? I will be going to show you which kind of data types are present. Okay. Let me show one, or let me take to the practical also. Problem is not there. I'm going to remove to the things. Okay, I want to add the over here shift a Python data types. Okay, so obviously I want to be learned to the data types. There are different data types are there. This purpose I will be going to add the very quickly the different variables A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. I think so it's enough variable. Let me quickly, I want to add over here equal to sign. Okay, I will be going to copy from over here. So the equal to sign will be coming properly. Okay. Finish. It's properly. I have the equal to sign. Right now, check it. First over here, we will going to write a inside of the codes that is called hello world, isn't it? We are going to write the hello world. Obviously this hello world is a string data type, isn't it? We have this one string will be going to save inside of the A and it will be showing the output. Let's try to get another one. This is the 20 we are writing. Obviously whenever we are not writing to the quotation or the quotes, definitely it is directly the number. This is we can say as a numeric data, or we can say as an integer data. Now after that, when you are going to add something 20.6 means whenever you are adding to the point, it will be considered as a float data type. Okay, now after that we have to the another data type like a complex means what? It is a combined number plus your alphabets, isn't it? So let me try it over here. So 65 and I will be going to write a J, isn't it? Means what? It is a complex number. Okay, complex number, not it is we called as a complex data type. Then we have to the list also. You can create a list. Whenever we are creating, we need to use the square bracket list. We will going to understand later also in the depth, because the list is a major concept in the Python. So whenever we have the list, obviously we will going to write a suppose apple, then again we have something banana. Okay, let's see the banana. Then again we have another thing that is called cherry, isn't it? Cherry, I think so spelling are right. Cherry, I forgot the over here my quotes. Perfect. And now after that I will be going to add, so this is the list data type. If you want, I can write in the comment section what kind of this data. This is a string, this is, I can say, integer, this is my float. Okay, this one is the, this is comments are not important, just for your understanding purpose I'm going to write. This is the complex data complex. Then after the complex over here, okay, back over here, this is the list. Okay, this is a list data. Now after this one, let me say another also data types you have, like when you are using to the the curve not this is the curve brackets we call as a tuple. Okay, if you don't know that, this is we call as a tuple. Okay, so what is the tuple? I will be explain in the upcoming section, because I said the list, tuple, these are the important concept in the Python, and I will be going to take as it is the data. Okay, let me paste it inside. Okay, now this is the tuple. See, because of the bracket, it is the another data type, isn't it? So brackets are very important. When the brackets are changed, the data also will be going to change. Okay, the data type will be also going to change. Then after we have to the over here a range. Okay, we can give to the range also, like suppose I want to write inside of the 6. Okay, this is the range type. Shift comment, I want to put this one as a range. Okay, now after we have to the another one also, like when you are using a curly bracket, we call as a, this is we are using the dictionary data type. Okay, I know this is the first time you're seeing to these things. If you use something another programming language before that, if you use previously your C programming, C++ programming, obviously these things you did not see before that. That's why we are saying the Python is a very powerful programming language we have, because lot of concepts in the Python we can able to see. Okay,